Hey, real quick, let's chat about uh, submitting documents because this seems to be a common struggle amongst some students. Many of you, most of you, I should say, um, get this point, get this part right, but I still get things that aren't shared correctly. So, or occasionally stuff in the wrong format that I can't read. Although I've eliminated that for the most part by only allowing docs to be submitted in a certain format in either a PDF, a a doc file, or you can share something with me. But when you share it, you have to make sure that you're logged into your school email when you're doing your work. Um, and the best way to know how to do that is is to know that you are in, that you have the chat over here. You could find me on the chat, or that you're in the messages here, and things like that, or that you're in your school email. If you're not in your school email, it's not going to come to me correctly. I'm going to have to request it, and if you don't share it with me, I can't grade it. So, and if I can't grade something, I can't give you a grade for it, right? If I can't see it, I can't grade it. So if I can't open it, so let's look though real quick at what I'm talking about. So let's say, for instance, this is your project. You are in my econ class, and you want to submit your assignment. So most of the submission stuff is going to be at the end. Sometimes it's for your focus notes and discussion, so they're in the middle. So projects are at the end, uh, but here it says submit your dream lifestyle project here. Okay, and this looks a little bit different on my side, right? Okay, but you're gonna get a text box and a website. Actually, you know what? Let me see if I can do this real quick. Let's get you test student. Um, I don't know if I have a test student. Sorry, this is going to take a minute, but I want you to see it from a student side. So this will work. There is a test student, so you're not looking at somebody else's work per se. Um, oh, of course, no. Let's just do. Uh, Sorry, it's slow today, but we'll get through this. So I'm going to look up a student so you can see it from a student standpoint. And if this is you, I apologize, but I'm not going to show them any grades or anything like that. I just want you to see the formatting from that side of the from the what it looks like when you look at it. Takes a few steps. Drink my tea. You guys ready for? Uh, Sorry for all the slowdown in the processes here, but it should be good. All right, cool. So quarter two. This particular student has government B. We'll look at this government B class here in a minute. So if you have an assignment to submit, you see where it is. So like your focus notes here down at the bottom, you're gonna submit these in a box here. When you're finished with this assignment, you're gonna submit them. There will be a place where it says it's not going to show it because it's not unlocked yet, but of course, but there will be a place here where you can submit the assignment, a little box, and you'll be able to submit the assignment there. This is the rubric for this particular assignment. It'll be at the bottom. In my classes, it's the same. It's in a different spot. Um, let's see. There we go. I have to move myself on the screen. Okay, so those kinds of things. So again, make sure that you are. Oh, the other thing I was going to show you is when you share one of these assignments with me. This is this particular one. You're going to click this blue button up here, hit share, and then you're going to allow me to see it. I don't need to be able to edit it. You can just share it with me, but make sure that I'm on here and that I have privileges to view it. That's all I need. If you have any questions, let me know. Um, and sorry for the slowness of the computer, but that's kind of where we're at today.